Hello guys, uh, thank you for coming. So you guys can hear my voice. Okay, so can we proceed? Alright. Okay, so we continue from last a few days ago. So we will continue from part 1. So right now is part 3. Okay, so okay, make sure you continue with the previous code. Okay. So before this, I'm using a MacBook for part 1. Part 2, I will using Windows because we requires to use SSMS to create a new database. Okay, so we can type cmd. Okay, type cd. Okay, then run Jupyter notebook. Right, so this is our based on our previous live streaming. Okay, so we will continue using this code. Okay, so then you need to go to this website. So just type SSMS. So you can download SQL Server Management Studio here. So it's free. So just click here. But I no need to install again because I already have the SSMS. Okay, once you download and install, okay, then you have this kind of windows. Okay, so I think if not mistaken, this is the latest version. Okay, right, so last time we go back to our portal. So Azure portal. Okay, sign in. Oh, not this one. Okay, log in with your own account. Oh, sorry, not this one. Okay, let me check my email. Okay. Alright, so we will using this database DAGI CRM, this one. Okay, so this is your server name. Okay, copy, and you need to paste it here, your server name, then the authentication. Okay, so DAGI my login, and then the password. Okay, I don't remember the password, so this is the password. Okay. Okay, so I need to, this is the firewall rule lah, so we need to sign in again. This is for SSMS, so this one. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, I need to verify again. Okay, so 6.9.16.8. Okay, verified. Okay, done. So click OK. Right, so this is your server. Okay, but there are no database. Wait, this is your database. Sorry, this is your database. Okay, so you already we already created the database before this on part 1. Right, so okay, next we need to create a new table. So how to create a new table? So make sure you click this one, then click new query. Okay. Okay, so we need to create a new table. So create table users. Okay, so table users ID, so we okay, go back to this one. Okay, so we need to have ID. So the ID will be auto increment. Okay, start with 1. Yeah. Okay, then we increase each new record we will add, we will increment by 1. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then the second attribute, name, phone, email, date of last contact, and status. Right. Okay, so we go back here into SSMS, then we continue. So make sure is not null because it's mandatory. Okay, primary key, then identity 1 1. Okay, and name Vacha. Okay, 255. So phone Vacha 255. Email Vacha 255. Last contact Vacha 255. Okay, status Vacha 255. Okay. Okay, so no error, right? So if you notice, there are no table yet. Okay, because we didn't execute this script. So select all, then execute here. So this one empty, right? Okay. Okay, moment of truth, execute. Okay, commands completed successfully, right? Refresh. Then this is the user table. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, so this is your user new table. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, so last time we already allow permission for Google Sheet, right? Okay, right now we need to open your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so this is your Jupyter notebook. So we can continue the coding. So we try to insert or pump all the data as you can see on your screen here into this database, right? So we need to import, okay, py-odbc. Okay, I'm not sure this package is available or not. We try it first. So if not available, we can install using pip. Okay, so I'm open new command line, then type pip install py-odbc. Okay, so successful, done. Okay, we try to run it. Okay, so successful. Okay, so okay, so we create so you pass it, so we already convert into data frame format, right? So record df. Okay, then your server, so your URL server, so you can copy here and paste it here. Then database, the AGI CRM, so you can see the AGI CRM. See, this is your database name. This one, the AGI CRM here. Okay, then your username, the AGI, and password. Okay, password. Okay, this is your DB password. Okay, so we try to run. It's not defined, so it records. Okay, records. So okay, we need to run again. Run again. Okay, error. So because this we need to install again. This is the new, because I'm using new machine. Okay, so we need to install using this one, recommended test. I already put all the libraries here. Okay, so cmd and copy. Okay, oh sorry, so pip install. So this one you want to install all the packages, right? TSC. Okay, done. Okay, go back here, run again. Okay, this time. Okay, correct, so far so good. Okay, so if you guys have any question, you can ask. Right, so this one our connection. So pair ODBC that connect. So driver ODBC driver. Okay, for SQL server. Okay, and server. You need to add. You need to type it very carefully. For this one. So server. Server. Okay, plus then your DB database. Okay, database. UID. Username. Password. Okay, we try. Cursor. Okay, we try run. Okay, so got error. So we need to take a look here. Maybe they got some mistakes here. Okay, so maybe the naming is not correct. So but I'm sure the password is correct. Okay, password. This driver. This is our driver. Okay, driver ODBC driver 17 for SQL Server. Okay, then server. Okay, this is our server. Then our database. There's the UID, the username, and the password. Okay, supposedly no error. This one. Okay, by right is already correct. Okay, because I already log in here. Okay, we try. We take other part first. This by right. I'm not sure if they have with a string issue here. So maybe I can try this one. Okay, so now so by right I already I try to read the password here. Okay, so it's already read. Can read here. Okay, I'm not sure what's the issue. Okay, you guys can try it first. Okay, if not mistaken, the password is correct. So we can try ODBC connect pipe. Okay, we take a look here. Okay, so this the sample. I think maybe the wording, maybe the syntax maybe not correct. So we try copy and paste. Okay, so still not successful. Because by right it's already connected, so no issue ah. This one already correct. Maybe we can try take a look it first ah. So maybe somewhere we cannot read. Maybe somewhere. Okay, so while I'm waiting this one to be fixed, so you guys have any questions so far? So technically it's already correct but I'm not sure why we cannot access the DB. So maybe they got string here. So maybe I try to reset the password. Okay, I'm not sure how to reset the password. So reset. Okay, maybe it's around somewhere here. Okay, so Azure SQL here. Okay, so reset password. So I think because they got like they got string, right? Because I thought Python cannot read, so we try to generate password. Okay, 8. So generate. Try to copy. save. Okay, so technically this one cannot be connected. Okay, connect. So password. Okay, okay, connected. Okay, we try change this one. Okay, this is my new password. Okay, I'm afraid this string got, is a cause why we got error. Okay, so it's fixed. Okay, so it fixed, so we can continue. Okay, so we try to insert data frame to SQL Server. Then for index row in df dot iterows. Okay, cursor dot execute. Okay, we try to insert into users. Okay, name, phone, then what, email. Okay, so last contact. So this one based on here, this one. So last contact, status. Okay, so values. Okay, make sure the quantity is same, so 5, right? 5. Then we add here, so row dot name. So this one you get from here. Okay, from here. Okay, right, so row dot phone. Okay, row dot email, row dot last contact. Okay, so last contact because not same, right? This one date of last contact, so we need to do some that we need to edit the column name. So how we gonna do is we try to doing this. So records df rename, okay, columns, date of last contact. So we will replace with this one, last contact. Okay, and in place true. Okay, we take a look, and hit 10. Okay, see, we already updated this column. Okay, so okay, last contact, row dot status. Okay, okay, then we can start commit lah. so C dot commit. So cursor, so close, so we close the connection. Okay, save. Right. Okay, try run. Okay, go back here. Okay, review the table. Okay, so take a look. Okay, please take a look here. Okay, then I try run. Okay, it's done, right? So we refresh. Sorry. Okay. So this is all your data. We already pump all the data. Okay. Okay, but it's not done yet. Okay. Right. So next, okay, we try to do the automation. So let's say every time there will be a new data on the Google Sheet, so we will using this Azure function to re-upload the data again. Okay, so what you need to do right now is we can close here, this one, close. Okay, okay, before we create Azure function, so we need to create a new resource group. Okay, so the reason why we need to create a new resource group, because the current group is using Windows platform. So for Azure function, we need to use Python script. So Python script, they in Azure, we can run on Linux platform only, right? So resource group. Okay, so you need to create new. Okay, so because I already have this resource group. Okay, actually what you can do is you just create a new because before this on part 1, we already we have create a new resource group called deep AGI. Okay, but this one you need to have separate resource group which is for Linux only. Okay, because current resource group already used by for Azure SQL is using Windows platform. Okay, so Azure function using Python script, you need to have Linux platform. Okay, so to create a new resource group, you just create add, then this is your resource group, you just name it, then your location, let's say let's say the AGI Linux, right? Okay, so location, so my place is like so yes, yeah. Okay, then click review and create. Okay, so validation pass, then you just click create. Okay, and then you just wait for them to the resource group to be created. Okay, so once done, okay, so you have the AGI Linux. Okay, then we need to go to Azure function. Okay, function. Okay, function app. Okay, function app, and this one you need to click add. So we need to create a new Azure function. Okay, so will be the AGI Linux, right? So remember, click with the a new resource group. Okay, jet linux. Okay, then the function name, so you can name it as the AGI CRM. Okay, so function app name. Okay, runtime Python 3.8. Okay, I think play safe 3.8. 3.9, not sure if is it stable or not. Okay, so region Southeast Asia. Okay, so and then click review and create. Okay, so validating. So far okay, right? See the Linux 636. Okay, great. Okay, so deployment is in progress. So maybe it takes a few minutes to be done. You just wait for it. Okay, so almost success. Okay, be patient. Okay, for this I think you need to install Visual Studio Code. Okay, what? Okay, so still in progress. Okay, done. Alright, so go to resource. So this is your DHSRM. Okay, so remember later on we need to copy this master key. Okay, wait. Okay, this master key we need to copy for later usage. Okay, right. So we need to download Visual Studio Code. So because we want to deploy the Azure function using this. Okay, so we download. Okay, go to download. The file is quite not really big, so I think it takes a few minutes to install. Okay, next. Okay, next install. Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, launch. Right. Okay, don't show again. Okay, so okay, what's next? Okay, we need to download. Not the we need to install the extension. Okay, so Azure function install. So it will be Azure. See, this is the new icon. Okay, right. So here we need to create create project. Okay, create project. So create project. Okay, so we go to inside users and GitHub, not sure which one. Okay, documents inside documents. Okay, So okay, I think I'm not sure we need to create new folder or not. I think create new folder. Okay, so Azure function. Okay, Azure function, select. Okay, then you need to select Python. Okay, 3.7. Okay, actually 3.8 the latest. Okay, so okay, before that so this one talking about 8 and then 3.7. Okay, we try first 3.7 Okay, if you cannot, you need to okay, I think you need to install Python 3. Okay, Python 3.9. We try first Okay, we try first Okay, almost done close. Try close and open again. Visual code. Okay, Azure function, create new project. Okay, here. Oh, still 3.7 Okay, try 3.7. Okay, HTTP trigger. Okay. So we try name it extract Okay, extract function. Okay, open current window. Okay, we try it first Okay. Okay. Start. Okay. Okay, go back here. Okay, copy this JSON file. This one from Google Cloud Platform. So copy and go inside Azure function and paste it here. Okay, yes, this your details. Right. Okay. So go to start, try install again. Okay. So go inside init underscore init.py. Okay. Okay, I think we can start import all the codes. Okay, you can copy all of this. Okay, then the pyodbc. Okay, so we try close it. Okay, so this is your main function Okay, we try remove all of this. Okay, we not okay, wait So requirement here, right? So we need to copy. Don't forget to copy. Otherwise, you will encounter with error message later on. Okay, so okay, got error, right? Okay, try. Okay, got error this. Okay, I try to close, open again. Close. We got error. Okay, digit. Okay, still error. Let me run. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what's the error here. I think never mind. Just proceed with the coding. Okay, so okay, you can remove all of this. Okay, so okay, the return response. So we need this one. Okay, just and then remove other codes. Okay, like this. Okay, then copy this one. Okay, copy and paste. Easy, right? Copy and paste. Okay, then you need to copy this one. And then this one. This one I think this one also required. Okay. This one. Okay, so we need to convert into data frame here. Then this one. Okay. Alright, so okay, this one also we need to copy. Okay. Okay. Okay, before that, because if we using this kind of code, let's say they have a new record, right? And then you keep pump and pump. So uh, we have a duplicate data lah later on. So what's the best practice is we need to truncate. Okay, we truncate the database first, then truncate the table first, then we pump the data. So we need to do the truncate script. Okay, so how to do that is we run cursor dot execute truncate. Okay, wait. Truncated table users save. Okay, so truncate table users. Okay, so the response we need to change. Okay, so we just set like this. So the HTTP trigger function executed successfully. Okay, so done, right? Okay, I think once done, go to Azure here. So sign in. Okay. Okay, close. Okay. Okay, before that we need to test this API. So actually Azure function is similar to API concept. Okay, so we download Postman first. Postman. Okay, I need to scroll down. I don't know which one. Product. Wait. I just want to download. Postman, download Postman. Okay, download the app 64-bit. Save, install. Okay, I think will be part 3. Once we done for Azure function. So once we can do the automation, we proceed to uh, part 3 after this. I think part 3 will be other session. Okay, installing. Okay. Okay. So new request. This one. Okay. Okay, we need to test it first. So attach to Python. Okay, Azure function core tools. Okay, Azure core. So I think I need to install Azure function core tools. Okay, I think we need to install using command line. Okay. Okay, Windows. So 64-bit. Okay, save. Okay, opening. Okay, 30 seconds left. Okay, install. Come on. Stalling. Okay, done. Okay, so go back here, try run again one more time. Okay, close. Okay, so let's say if I try run cannot, I think we need to proceed to part 3, yeah, because I need to restart my machine. Okay, I think just install, update. Okay, try run. Okay, can run. So because I need to restart my Visual Studio Code. So once you install Azure Function Core Tools, so you will be able to test on your VS Code. Okay, I hope there is no error. Okay, we try our best, this one. We almost done. Okay. Okay. Right, so I think we have error message here. Okay, I think I know how to fix this, but I think we can start. We can proceed with the next session. Okay, so I will show you how to fix this error message here. Okay, I think I know the solution for this, but because we already 1 hour for this live streaming, so I suggest we continue on the next session, right? Okay, so I will end up this uh, live streaming. So we will continue on part 3. So part 3 we will test this Azure function, and then we test Azure function inside Postman. Then we will test together on the Azure portal, right? So once done, I will show you how to use Azure Data Factory and Power BI. Okay, so I think that's all. So thank you very much for coming.